Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. Right now I'm going to show how to use WhatsApp on iPad. While WhatsApp doesn't offer a standalone app for iPad, there is no need to be disappointed as there is a pretty reliable hack that can let you use WhatsApp on iPad. So just in case you are willing to use WhatsApp on your iPadOS device, this hack is for you. That all being said, it's time to get going. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, launch WhatsApp on your iPhone or other mobile device. Then select Settings icon that is located at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap Linked Devices. After that, tap Multi-Device Beta. Then tap the blue Join Beta button. Then tap back and select Link a device on the previous screen. On your iPad, open Safari or another web browser and go to web.whatsapp.com and then scan the QR code that appears using your iPhone. After following these steps, your device will be linked to your WhatsApp account and you will be able to access WhatsApp on your iPad to send and receive messages and view chat threads without needing to rely on your phone being connected to the internet. That's all there is to it. So that's how you can use WhatsApp on your iPad. Now that you know how it works, make the most of it to get the most out of this popular messaging app right from your iPadOS device. If you have found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone and iPad hacks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.